Craftsman 3/8 quarter inch socket sets. These are from Ace Hardware. They're on, I think this is their Black Friday deals or whatever, but yeah, look at $9.99. SAE or metric. I was hoping they had deeps, but they didn't. In Taiwan. There's a phone number. But I got these at Ace, and I was hoping they had the older ones, but they didn't. They had these, but quarter inch. What's the number? CMMT 34861. There you go. 5 to 13 inch extension. It's alright. Better than the stuff the Sears had a while, not too long ago. Alright. 10. Alright. This one has 10 through 18, no skips. Alright. Oh geez, this is heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Alright, $10. It's going to the 30th, the end of the month. Enjoy.